That sounds a bit better, mate. No worries there, 612, mate. Cruising his antique transmitter, you know where, right here in Melbourne.
You were on your way home from bloody Queensland.
Yeah.
Many months ago. How about that one, Bulldozer, for a good memory, eh?
That's it, mate. It's getting all right. I'm probably even key on you there, 612, but getting a lot of noise in this old thing, so I'll put on your load at 612 and have a good one. You got a good memory, 612, and I'm back quiet.
Bulldozer, I won't hold it up. There's plenty of Hawaii out there. Good to hear. I just went to the straight stick. When I'm on the beam now, I just can't hear you, but I can hear the Hawaiians calling you. Anyway, they're Bulldozer from the 612.
Yeah, just make sure you keep that echo turned off there, 612, otherwise you sound like a sidebander.
I am a sidebander, but I'm on AM. I'm sure I'm on AM. I am on AM. I'm on legs 11 AM there, 10-4.
Yeah, that's it. Just make sure you got the echo off on AM. You'll sound, you'll fit right in there. Alright, 612 750 Melbourne, just saying g'day.
No worries there. I think you said 775. It's only on between a 0 and a 1 at the moment, but when I do crank it up, man, nobody can understand what I'm saying there, 10-4.
Alright, yeah, 750 750 Melbourne there.
750. You have a good day down in Melbourne. A bit of a shitty day up here in Newcastle. Take it easy.
Yeah, checking that. Alright, 612. Talk to you another time. 612 Newcastle, 750 Melbourne on the side.
Thanks a lot. 750 for the echo report, 10-4.
No problem.